Your paradiddles are about to get so much better. So all I'm basically playing here is the inverted paradiddle. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. But I'm not playing it as every other drummer is kind of playing it on their snare. But I'm moving my right hand around the drum kit while I'm keeping the pattern the same, and my left hand is playing as ghost notes. So it's super simple, it's still the same pattern, I'm just moving my right hand around. But the magic actually happens when sometimes I do play an accent with my left hand. And sometimes I'm actually also moving my left hand. It's really the player's choice, and that's also the fun about it. You can create your own variation. And here's the golden tip. Whenever you hit a hi-hat or a ride or a crash, play your bass drum with it. It's so incredibly easy. It's the chop, the fill, the awesome fill that you've already been playing. You can already play it. It's just the inverted paradiddle. There you go. Better paradiddles in 2 minutes.